So here's my review on it. See how small it is compared to the cap that needs to be washed. I'm gonna put it together and show y'all how the hat fits on it. So once constructed, it's very small. I put my hat on it. It doesn't even feel the entire crown. So of course when you wash it, it's gonna smash down because it's not even big or sturdy enough to feel it, to even feel the inside of the cap. So it's definitely not gonna keep the form. I didn't even open the net part because after I saw this, it's not even worth even putting the net on there. So I'm definitely sending it back. Sending it back. I ain't had it 5 minutes. It's going back. I'm not even gonna try to wash my hat in it because, nah.